Customizing rolling_apply function in Python pandas. Setup. I have a data frame with 3 columns. Category contains true and false, and I have done df.groupby category to group by these values. Time contains timestamps, measured in seconds, at which values have been recorded. Value contains the values themselves. At each time instance, 2 values are recorded. One has category true, and the other has category false. Rolling apply question. Within each category group, I want to compute a number and store it in column result for each time. Result is the percentage of values between time t60 and t that fall between 1 and 3. The easiest way to accomplish this is probably to calculate the total number of values in that time interval via rolling_count, then execute rolling_apply to count only the values from that interval that fall between 1 and 3. Here is my code so far. What is the proper rolling_apply call to find GRP in underscore interval?
Let's work through an example. So the data frame, df, looks like this. Now, copying at hers, let's define. Between 1,3 is a function which takes a series as input and returns the fraction of its elements which lie in the half-open interval, 1,3. For example, now we are going to take our data frame, df, and group by category. For each group in the groupby object, we will want to apply a function. The function, to_category, will take a subdata frame as input, and return a data frame as output. The entire result will be assigned to a new column of df called result. Now what exactly must to_category do? If we write to_category like this, then we see each sub is a data frame such as this one, when category is false. We want to take the times column, and for each time, apply a function. That's done with apply map. The function percentage will take a time value as input, and return a value as output. The value will be the fraction of rows with values between 1 and 3. Apply map is very strict, percentage cannot take any other arguments. Given a time t, we can select the values from sub whose times are in the half-open interval, t60, t, using the 9th method. And so we can find the percentage of those values between 1 and 3 by applying between 1,3. Now remember that we want a function percentage which takes t as input and returns the above expression as output. But notice that percentage depends on sub, and we are not allowed to pass sub to percentage as an argument, again, because apply map is very strict. So how do we get out of this jam? The solution is to define percentage inside _category. Python scoping rules say that a bare name like sub is first looked for in the local scope, then the enclosing scope, then the global scope, and lastly in the built-in scope. When percentage %t is called, and Python encounters sub, Python first looks in the local scope for the value of sub. Since sub is not a local variable in percentage, Python looks for it in the enclosing scope of the function _category. It finds a sub there. Perfect. That is just what we need. So now we have our function _category. Putting it all together. Yields.
If I understand your problem statement correctly, you could probably skip rolling count if you use it only for the sake of computing the percentage. Rolling _apply takes as an argument a function that performs aggregation, i.e. a function that takes an array as input and returns a number as an output. Having this in mind, let's first define a function. Then use the function name as an argument of rolling _apply in the for loop.